But we all have those days, even myself. We all have those days where we're not feeling as motivated, or we're just completely all the way unmotivated. Like we don't feel like doing anything. And if you're pushed and fueled just by motivation and motivation alone, that's why you have the 3-month period of not doing much at all. Or it seems like you crash and burn all the time because your discipline isn't strong. You don't have that foundation. I know I sound like a broken record, but the foundation is extremely important. This is why it's important to practice every single day, getting your reps in. You need to have that discipline because I guarantee you guys, there's gonna be periods in your life where you're unmotivated, where it doesn't matter how many podcast episodes you listen to, how many videos you watch, it doesn't matter who says what to you, it doesn't matter how much motivation is in your face, you're just gonna feel unmotivated. And you're gonna have to fall back on that discipline. And the discipline is gonna be able to carry you to those points that you never thought you'd be able to reach. It's gonna carry you to those points that motivation can't. The way I looked at it, motivation is short term. You can listen to this today and this is gonna get you fired up for today. It might even get you fired up for the next 2 days, maybe the next week. But what's gonna happen, that fire is gonna fizzle out and you're gonna be looking for some more motivation. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but we have to think long term. So don't just listen to this or watch whatever it is that you watch and not act on it. Don't listen to this and not have things that you're ready to practice on. That defeats the purpose. You might as well not listen to anything. You might as well not watch anything. The goal is to practice and build our discipline every single day. Because that's what separates the winners and the losers. That's what really separates the two spectrums. The people who have the solid foundation and the people who don't. The people who practice the reps every single day and the people who only practice it some of the time. Keep playing around if you want to, but don't come back talking about, oh yeah, I didn't reach my goals because of whoop, whoop, whoop. Nah, you ain't reach your goals because you wasn't practicing. You wasn't able to hit the game-winning shot because you didn't practice that shot. You wasn't ready for the test because you didn't study for the test. You wasn't ready for the opportunity because you didn't prepare for it. We have to prepare. Most of us do a great job of wishing for the best. Like we just have great things that we have in our mind. Like, yeah, I'm going to be able to do this. I want to be able to have this, that, and the third. I'm going to be able to do all these things, which is great. Speaking things into existence is very, very important. So I don't want to come off like, oh, he's telling me not to talk about the things that I want. No, go ahead and talk about the things that you want, but you have to prepare for those things.